A lot of fashion designers dream of creating a brand that blows up and becomes really successful. But not too many can say they're already on the way at just 14 years of age. Lachlan makes t-shirts in his bedroom and now he's selling them internationally through his website. Eloise met him to find out what his secret is.
To run a business, you don't have to look like this. You could also look like this.
Hey, I'm Lockie. I run an Adelaide-based clothing line. I sell my gear across Australia and sometimes overseas.
It all started when he tried tie-dyeing t-shirts with some mates. It was fun and looked pretty cool too.
I think we saw that people liked them and I saw it as it could be a good business to run. It was good fun to make, so I thought, yeah, might as well go for it.
Lockie's called his brand Size 7 Clothing Co.
How I come up with the designs, either way, I'll draw a concept and then take it to a local artist and get them to redraw it so it looks professional and good, because I'm a terrible drawer and I can't draw anything if I tried.
Lockie prints all the t-shirts himself using a technique called screen printing. Each t-shirt takes about 3 days to make.
And you've got to individually print and cure each shirt so that the ink doesn't run out of the shirt, basically. So you have to spend a fair bit of time to make a good quality product.
He sells them through his website and keeps people updated about his new designs on Facebook and Instagram. His t-shirts and hats became so popular, they're now being stocked in a shop.
So basically, this is my designs. This is one of them I did probably 4 weeks now. Good design, nice front print as well. And then also this is part of our pretty much unique tie-dye range. It's all hand-dyed here in Adelaide.
So far, he's made 9 different designs, like this, and he sells about 30 hats and shirts a week. But designing these t-shirts was the easy part. Learning how to run a business, on the other hand, that was kind of hard.
Spent a fair bit of time looking through Google and just YouTube videos to find the knowledge that I needed to start it. It took probably 2 months, so it wasn't the easiest process to do. I had to find contacts so I could get designers to design for me. I had to work out how to set up social media accounts and properly manage them so it's professional. Many things. I had to learn how to make a website so I could sell my product.
He also had to be super organised so he could balance his business with schoolwork.
I have a really easy website that I can process my orders. I have good apps now that nowadays you can get plenty of apps to help you manage things, and schoolwork, I have a diary which I can write down things. I also use my calendar on my computer, which helps me organise everything that I'm doing.
So if this is something you'd like to do, what are Lockie's tips?
My advice is to be original, have a good quality product, make sure you learn the ins and outs of running businesses, and basically go your hardest.
So if you want to start your own business, there's no better time than now to get rolling.